Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. In today's lecture, we will study Unit 1, Fun at School. Today's target will include new vocabulary words, their meanings, and then you will be using those words in your creative sentences. And at last, we will learn how to write in a sequence. So, let's get started. First of all, let us learn the new vocabulary words. First word is follow. Repeat after me. Follow. The second word is ready. What is the word? Ready. The third word is friends. Friends. The fourth word is playground. What is this word? Playground. Then lesson. Lesson. The next word is art room. Art room. The next word is wonder. What is this word? Wonder. Library. What is this word? Library. Amazing. What is this word? Repeat after me. Amazing. Once. And the last word is over. Now that you have learned the new words, let's learn their meanings. The first word was follow, which means to come after. Ready means all set. Friends are people who know you but are not your family members. Playground means a park. Lesson means subject. Art room is the room in school for arts. Wonder means think. Library is the room having books. Amazing means very good. Once means one time. And over means finished. Now that you know the new words and their meanings, learn them by heart and then use those words in your creative sentences. As we know, the first chapter is Time to Go to School. I want you to open page number 2 and 3 and you will listen to the audio and then we will do the activity. We know that Usman lives in UK